Hi everyone, today I'm going to be creating a transformation for a glamorous effect on the face. Maybe you can wear it to a cocktail or an engagement. It's going to be fairly soft. So my model has a little bit of dry skin, so I'm hydrating it with a serum, nicely applying it all through the skin with my hands because it really seeps into the skin. And then using a moisturizer made for textured skin, anyone who has pimples or open pores, this type of moisturizer works really well. And then using a concealer that is slightly dark and on the yellow side for my model who has a little bit of pinkish tone. I'm using a full coverage foundation, but I'm also making sure that this foundation is not going to make her skin look any drier than her skin actually is. And then using a soft blender, I'm going into the highlighting points and adding some more concealer, but this time I'm using a lighter shade. You want to blend it all very softly. I then powdered the face and now I'm just adding some contour and blusher so that her face looks complete and it looks ready for the eye makeup. For the eye makeup, before I start, I always like to leave a little bit of powder underneath. You can do this too if you do your foundation before your eye makeup. After applying eye base, I like to work on the lower part of the eyebrows and add a little bit of highlighter. Then taking a big fluffy brush, I just went in with smooth strokes all over the eyelid except the center. I used a nudish brown and before that I used a very soft light pink and I'm just blending them well together. As you can see, I've been building up and I'm going darker with browns. Even though this looks fairly dark, it's not going to be a smoky look. It's overall going to look very soft because I'm adding concealer to the center of the lid. I'm blending it out really softly so that it looks as if they're all blended really well together. On top of the concealer, I'm going to start dabbing a little bit of shimmer. This is going to help open the eyes up, add some highlight, and really make that very soft, effective look for the eyes. And then just adding some more eyeshadow on the lower lash and completing the eye makeup. After applying lashes, I just kind of filled in the eyebrows. I did not shape them too much. She already had very shapely eyebrows. And then I went in with a brown lip crayon instead of lip pencil because sometimes with dry lips, pencils can also be very dry. So crayon is quite soft and easy to use and it also helps to highlight and outline the lip. Then just finishing up with the blusher, adding some color on the cheeks and chin, adding some highlight. We're just going to be finishing the makeup off. You can see that her base, her eye makeup all looks quite soft and this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and do let us know what you think of it. Don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel for many more different types of makeup looks, techniques and ideas. And if you try any of such makeup looks, don't forget to tag us so we can also see what you have created. Sometimes less is more. So here her face is transformed, her features are highlighted, but the colors are soft. Makeup is so diverse.